Morning everyone, guess where we are? Have a look around. You might recognise this place by now. We are at Not Your Average Bikes again. We are working today on the Yamaha XS250 project. This is part 2. If you remember the last video we left it, we'd got all the seat tank and a lot of the wiring off, a lot of the bits and bobs. So today what we're going to do?
Well, it's taking it that extra step, pretty much getting it down to the bare frame. So the wheels, calipers, anything else that we can get a bolt to, we'll get it stripped down.
Sorry guys,
You should be sorry.
Alright, let's crack on. Alright. Now then, Kieran,
Yo.
how's it going?
Good, yeah, it's swing arm and many other things removed, and just kind of assessing some of the dubious quality of certain items that are remaining. But as usual, getting things pieced back together as we go, so we know where things want to be when we go in the assembly stage.
Yeah, that's going to be fun. Taking a bike apart's easy, putting it back together,
Check out the bin of stuff.
not so good. So far,
All of that.
these are the pieces that have come off this bike, and we've got to try and remember where all of that went. But at the moment, as you can see, the swing arm is out, the engine is still in. We're going to take the yokes off at the front, and then the engine out, and then that's the bike disassembled. So let's carry on. Kieran,
Yep.
you do know how to put this back together, don't you?
You were taking the notice, weren't you?
I thought you were doing it. Oh,
I'm out.
yeah, leg it quick.
Don't look at me!
Things are slowing down slightly. All the big stuff has come off this, and we're down to the more intricate little bits and bobs.
You like your bits and bobs, don't
I
you?
do like the old bits and bobs. Kieran's just doing a bit of snot fishing down here, because there is quite a large amount of silicone down here, and also...
Which obviously suggests some good old bodge jobbery, but not so good bodge jobbery.
we'll see. The casing's also split here, so we're just investigating at this point. Kieran, what have you gone and done?
I've revealed an utter failure.
Let me come round this way.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see. Let's try and get a bit of screwdriver action. But all down here, following this line all the way down there, that is a cracked engine block. So we've just been having a chat with James the mechanic, and he says it is game over for this engine.
Womp, womp, womp.
So as it stands, we're about to investigate the possibility of getting another engine. I don't know how readily available they are. It might be that this is the end of the project before it started, but
Not quite before it started, John. We're a ways in, but
we are a ways in, but not a massive ways in.
But
Yes. So that is unfortunately knackered. So we'll see what happens next.
He's left me in control of the old stick camera. What is he thinking? I'm obviously going to be doing something stupid. Is he coming? There's the lad. Oh, Jiminy Cricket.